Well, hello again, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I want to welcome you out to Jay's Learning School. On today's episode, we're going to learn about breakfast foods. That's right, I'm going to teach you some English words that's going to help you to communicate when it comes to breakfast words in a better manner. So let's get ready to get into today's lesson. I'm so excited as always, and I want to thank all of my new subscribers that are here on my various platforms. I want to give you the opportunity to subscribe here on my YouTube channel by hitting that subscribe button and turning on that notification bell. And every time I upload new content, you'll get it and you can learn and improve on your English. Please share my videos and take a half a second to like my videos because that will help the growth of my channel and let me know that you appreciate my content. Let's get into today's lesson. Today's first word is bagel. 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 Bagel is just basically a piece of, I don't even know how to describe it. It's a type of bread. A lot of people put cream cheese on it. I put jelly or jam on mine as well as butter. A bagel. Coffee. Coffee. I do not drink coffee. Can you believe that? I don't like coffee. I think I had coffee one time when I was a child and I didn't like it. It smells good, but I do not like it. I prefer tea. Coffee. Toast. 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 I eat a lot of toast. I prefer, what is it called? Raisin toast. So I like raisin bread. All right. Toast is a nice quick breakfast. Oatmeal. Oatmeal. Some people call oatmeal porridge, but oatmeal. And some people like to place fruit in their oatmeal. You see here in this picture, there's blueberries. I like to place apples in my oatmeal. Oatmeal. Waffles. Waffles. Another favorite breakfast for me is waffles. I like plain waffles. I don't like all the chocolate chip waffles and all those other things. I just like regular plain waffles. Put some butter and syrup on it. I'm getting hungry right now. Waffles. Orange juice. Orange juice. And of course, we know orange juice, especially fresh orange juice, is just freshly squeezed oranges into a glass. Orange juice. Orange juice. Some people call orange juice OJ. OJ. Pancakes. Pancakes. I prefer waffles instead of pancakes, but I do like pancakes. Which do you prefer, waffles or pancakes? Waffles or pancakes? Leave it down in the comments section and let me know which one do you prefer, waffles or pancakes. Okay, another breakfast food would be bacon. Bacon. Bacon smells good early in the morning. Bacon. Sausage. 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 And of course you have turkey sausage, which I eat. You have pork sausage. You have, those are the two main types of sausages, pork and turkey. Sausage. Okay, biscuit. Biscuit. Baked dough. Biscuit. I cannot make homemade biscuits. If I do a biscuit, it's going to be a biscuit out of a can. Biscuit. Biscuit. Boiled egg. Boiled egg. Boiled egg. Okay? Our next breakfast word, my favorite, a fried egg. Fried egg. And so I like boiled eggs. but I prefer fried eggs. But then some people like scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs. And they crack the egg, turn the heat on, and cook the egg up so you can have it boiled. The egg boiled. You can have the egg fried, or you can have the egg scrambled. It just goes to which one you prefer. I like cheese on my eggs. Croissant. 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 And our last breakfast vocabulary word for today's lesson, grits. Grits. Now, grits is basically, here in our country, a southern type food. You don't really find grits up north in the United States. It's usually a food that you find down south. And grits is basically, how can I describe it? It's like cornmeal and flour all mixed together, and you put water and you boil it, and it's pretty good, especially if you know how to cook it. Grits is pretty tasty, and I put butter in it. Some people put sugar, pepper, salt, and they eat it with bacon or sausage, toast. So grits is, if you ever come to America, you need to try some grits. All right. And I don't know if they eat grits in other countries, but let me know down in the comments. Have you ever heard of grits before? Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Make sure you go ahead and leave me a like, a comment. And if you're not a subscriber, please take the time to subscribe. I hope that my videos are helping you to improve your English speaking. So if you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe, and also be sure to check out some of my other videos that I have here on my channel, and I know that they will help you to improve your English. Have a wonderful day, and God bless you.